Welcome back to Car Culture State. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated off-roaders of the year, the 2025 Mahindra Thar ROXX. This isn't just another version of the Thar. The ROXX edition is a bold, rugged evolution that takes Mahindra's already iconic off-roader and gives it even more attitude, capability, and street presence. At first glance, the Thar ROXX demands attention. It stands tall with a new factory-fitted lift kit, making it look tougher than ever. The beefier wheel arches, aggressive bumpers, and new off-road alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires scream adventure. The ROXX edition doesn't hold back on style or substance. It's got those subtle, yet muscular design upgrades that separate it from the standard Thar without overdoing it. The front grille has been slightly tweaked to give it a more distinct identity. It still maintains that Jeep-inspired upright face, but Mahindra's done enough to make sure it stands on its own. The new ROXX badging is tastefully placed across the body and lets everyone know this Thar means business. Blacked-out elements, from the roof to the ORVMs, give it that stealthy appeal that's perfect for both urban jungles and dusty trails. Under the hood, the 2025 Thar ROXX continues with the same powertrain options as the regular Thar, but that's not a bad thing. You've got the tried and tested 2.0-liter M Stallion turbo petrol engine delivering around 150 horsepower and the 2.2-liter M Hawk diesel engine with about 130 horsepower. Both are available with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. And of course, the ROXX retains the capable 4x4 drivetrain with a low-range transfer case and mechanical locking differential. Performance-wise, the ROXX isn't about raw speed, it's about brute strength, durability, and confidence over tough terrain. Whether you're crawling over rocks, wading through streams, or just making your way through rough countryside roads, this vehicle is built to handle it all. The updated suspension setup on the ROXX gives it slightly better ground clearance and improved approach and departure angles, making it even more trail-ready than the standard Thar. Now let's talk about the interior, because Mahindra knows that off-roaders don't have to be basic anymore. Inside the ROXX, you'll find a cabin that's practical but surprisingly premium. The all-black dashboard with silver inserts looks sharp, and the infotainment system remains a 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also cruise control, steering-mounted controls, a digital mid, and all the essentials to keep you comfortable whether you're driving through the city or heading off the grid. The seats in the ROXX come with new upholstery that's more durable and easier to clean, something you'll appreciate after a day of muddy adventures. The rear seats are reasonably spacious for 2 adults, although it's more of a lifestyle vehicle than a family SUV. Storage space is decent, and the rear seats can be folded for more cargo room if needed. In terms of safety, Mahindra's loaded the Thar ROXX with features like dual airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability program, hill hold and hill descent control. You also get rear parking sensors and ISOFIX child seat mounts, which are good to see in a hardcore off-roader. It's clear that Mahindra is trying to strike a balance between ruggedness and responsibility. What really sets the Thar ROXX apart is its appeal to enthusiasts. This isn't a vehicle you buy for daily commuting or school runs. It's for people who live for weekend drives into the wild, who like to get their hands dirty, who appreciate a machine that can take a beating and keep going. And while the regular Thar already had a loyal fan base, the ROXX edition just turns the volume up a notch. Mahindra has also launched a range of accessories exclusively for the ROXX. Think roof racks, auxiliary lighting kits, customized floor mats, jerrycan holders, and even portable winches. It's all about making your Thar as individual as your adventures. Plus, all these accessories are officially backed by Mahindra, so you don't have to worry about voiding your warranty with aftermarket mods. As for pricing, Mahindra has kept the ROXX within striking distance of the top-end Thar variants. It's definitely positioned as a premium option, but you're getting serious upgrades for the extra money. For what it offers in terms of road presence, off-road capability, and exclusivity, the Thar ROXX is a solid value proposition for those who want more than the standard. So, who is the 2025 Mahindra Thar ROXX for? It's for the adventurer who wants something bold and different. It's for the enthusiast who appreciates both form and function. And it's for anyone who wants to stand out on the road without compromising on off-road capability. Whether you're heading to the mountains, the desert, or just the local trails, the Thar ROXX is ready to go wherever your story takes you. That's all for today's review on CarCulturestate. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Mahindra Thar ROXX, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you pick the ROXX over the regular Thar? Or is there another off-roader on your wishlist this year? Let us know. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.